material.
Yes, sir.
That's great.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
It seems you are very busy.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What's going on?
Sir, we are going to celebrate Maths Week in our school.
Maths week.
Yes,
When is
sir.
it? When is it?
On 22nd December.
22nd December. Why is it on 22nd December? What's the special?
It is celebrated to honor the birth anniversary of Srinivas Ramanujan.
Srinivas Ramanujan. Can anyone tell me who was Srinivas Ramanujan?
Sir Srinivas Ramanujan was a great mathematician of India. He won many awards in his school years for mathematics. Ramanujan was born in a Tamil family. At the age of 11, he formally started maths. He took less than 3 years to master in maths. At 14 years of age, he was already getting certificates and awards.
Okay, so that's the reason this day is celebrated as Maths Day.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. He was a great
Mathematician of India. Okay, good. Yeah, it seems you have made a lot of material on this.
Yes,
So
sir.
how
Yes, sir.
is it only on one day or the whole week you are going to
Sir, full
celebrate?
week.
So what are going to be the activities?
Sir, we are going to prepare activities for smaller standards. We are going to organize for them games, activities, and in activities we are going to include quiz competition, a fancy dress.
Okay.
Then we are going to ask them to bring their lunchbox related to maths, means like baking chapatis of round shapes and like that.
So that through activities they can learn maths.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
We
They
are
can,
going-
they can come across so many
Yes.
formulas.
Yes, sir.
That's great. You are doing great job. It's great. I mean, you are doing great job. So all the very best for these activities.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So we are.
I would love to. I would love to join you.
Yes, sir. So you are ready to join us. in this
Thank you. Thank you so much.
celebration.
I'll definitely join.
Yes, sir.
All the best.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
As you know that we will be celebrating the birth anniversary of Srinivas Ramanujan, but do you have any idea or do you know what is his contribution?
Yes, sir. He has contributed a lot towards world. In 1904, Ramanujan provided a method to calculate Bernoulli numbers and calculated the Euler-Mascherny constant up to 15 decimal places. He was also awarded by the K. Raghunatha Rao Prize from school headmaster. He founded the Indian Mathematical Society. He solved the problems to find the different values of pi. Sir, you will be excited and surprised by hearing one thing. He was the only man who knew infinity.
हमारे जीवन में मैथ्स का क्या महत्व है?
We think that maths is interesting. Numbers help us understand the world, and math help us understand numbers. It presents a good mind-bending challenge. In maths, nothing can be proved without evidence. It also develops logical and critical thinking.
सिर्फ 12 वर्ष की उम्र से उन्होंने बिना किसी औपचारिक शिक्षा के मैथमेटिकल थ्योरम्स यानी गणित के सूत्रों की खोज शुरू कर दी थी। उन्होंने 32 वर्ष के अपने छोटे से जीवन में गणित के करीब 3900 सिद्धांत बनाए, जिससे गणित के सवाल हल किए जाते हैं और इन्हें शुद्ध गणित की भाषा में आइडेंटिटीज और इक्वेशंस कहते हैं। इनमें से कई सिद्धांत रिजल्ट तो सही देते हैं, पर उनके प्रोसेस पर अब भी रिसर्च जारी है। रामानुजन के विचारों की श्रेष्ठता यही है कि वो अपने वक्त से बहुत आगे की सोचते थे। रामानुजन के रिसर्च पेपर कई बार पत्र पत्रिकाओं और जर्नल्स में नहीं छपते थे, क्योंकि संपादक उनकी थ्योरीज को समझ ही नहीं पाते थे। पर बाद में उन्हीं सिद्धांतों से मैथ्स, फिजिक्स और एस्ट्रोनॉमी की बड़ी बड़ी समस्याएं सुलझाई गई। वर्ष 1919 में उन्होंने एक सिद्धांत की खोज की जिसे मॉक थीटा फंक्शन कहते हैं। यह असंख्य यानी इन्फिनाइट होने वाली गणना यानी कैलकुलेशन की समस्या को सुलझाने में काम आता है। लंबे समय तक इसे समझने के लिए दुनिया भर के वैज्ञानिक मेहनत करते रहे और वर्ष 2002 में पता चला कि ब्रह्मांड की सबसे बड़ी पहेली कहे जाने वाले ब्लैक होल को समझने के लिए मॉक थीटा फंक्शन का प्रयोग ही जरूरी है।